Hello students, we are discussing here some amazing problem of quadratic equation. These problems are important for CBSE, ICSE and your board exam, and also this is very important for JEE Main and JEE Advance. Now we discuss here some special type of problem that is called mod function. Mod function, how it applies in quadratic equation problem. Look, we have an equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is equal to, it has two roots, alpha and beta. Now if we get the equation a into mod x square plus b into mod x plus c is equal to 0, then what we will get? We get a into mod x square. Mod x square means always positive x square. Mod x square means always positive, because x square is a positive quantity, then mod x square does not have any meaning. Mod x square means x square. Okay, now this transform to ax square plus, if x greater than 0, then this is bx plus c is equal to 0, and if x less than 0, then it transform to ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. As we know, mod function is equal to x when x greater than 0, is equal to minus x when x less than 0, and is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So there are four roots. This is alpha and beta, and this is gamma and delta. Then usually it has two roots, alpha and beta, but this function has maybe four roots, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Now this problem, mod x square plus 3 mod x plus 2 is equal to 0, the solutions are minus 1 minus 2, 1 2, 1 minus 2 and no solution. Now what we have to do, mod x square plus 3 mod x plus 2 is equal to 0. If x greater than 0, then it becomes x square plus 3x plus 2. What will be the solution? And the solution is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 2. But you have already told that x greater than 0. But your solution is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 1. Next, if x less than 0, then it becomes mod x square means x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x square minus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2 into 1 is equal to 0, or x square, or this will become x into x minus 2 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. Then if you suppose x less than 0, in the case 2, you get x is equal to plus 2 and x is equal to plus 1. Then if x greater than 0, you get negative answer, x negative, then you get positive answer. So there does not exist any solution, and your answer will be no solution. This is a beautiful math. Now the next problem is mod x square plus mod x minus 6 is equal to 0. The solutions are minus 3 2, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2, and no solution. Here, from this equation, mod x square plus mod x minus 6 is equal to 0 if x greater than 0. Or x plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. That means, x minus 2. That means x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2. Then, when x greater than 0, you get the solution x is equal to 2. This is not possible. Not possible because we suppose that x greater than 0. Now, for the next case, case 2, if x less than 0, then it will become x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 2. Then your solution will be x is equal to minus 2. Then what will be our answer? And the answer is 2 and minus 2. Okay. These are the very typical type of problems. Now next I shall show you a problem now the similar and the third problem is mod of x square minus 3x plus 2. You have to do in the same way. When x greater than 0, we get mod of x square minus 3 mod x plus 2 is equal to 0, x greater than 0, then it becomes x square plus minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 into x minus 2 into 0, or x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. If x less than 0, then it becomes x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x into x plus 2 plus x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 2 minus 1. Correct? You can see here easily that if x greater than 0, then these two is its solution, and if x less than 0, then these two is its solution. Then the number of solution is 4. Number of solution is 4. Thus, it's a very easy solution. JEE Mains 2013. Next, the problem is the number of solution mod of x minus 2 the whole square plus mod of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Its solution A 0. হ্যান্ড একটু অফ করে দাও না। B2 C4 and D1. Again we see that mod of x minus 2 its whole square means it is simply x minus 2 the whole square. There is nothing in it. X minus 2 whole square plus the factor depends on in this mod of x minus 2 minus 2. Now mod of x minus 2 will become 0 at x is equal to 2. Mod of x minus 2 is 0 at the point x is equal to 2. Now if x greater than 2, then this value is positive, that is x minus 2 the whole square plus is equal to 0, or is equal to 0, or x minus 3 x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 3. If x greater than 2, then the solution is x is equal to 3. X is equal to 0 is not a solution because our condition is that x is always starts from greater than 0, greater than 2. So the next problem is x less than 2. If x less than 2, then it becomes x minus 2 minus mod of x minus 2 less than 0 minus x minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, or x square minus 4x plus 4 minus x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, or x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x into x minus 4 minus x minus 4 is equal to 0, that is x minus 4 into x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1. But our solution is this x is equal to 1 because x less than 2, x is equal to 4 is not a solution. So the number of solution is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. This is our answer. The number of solution is again be 2. Okay. So students, this is a very particular problem. That means here are three modulus, mod of x minus 1, mod of x minus 2 and mod of x minus 3. This is greater than 6. So to solve the problem, you have to understand that where the expression becomes 0. Look here, where the expression is 0. At the point 1, this is 0, at the point 2 it is 0 and at the point 3 this is 0. Then you have to check if x less than 1, x 1 to 2, x 2 to 3 and x greater than 3. There are 4 cases. Case 1, if x less than 1, then x less than 1 you take a value 0, then it is negative, it is negative, it is negative and all of this negative. Then this is minus of x minus 1, minus of x minus 2, minus of minus 3x plus 6 or number 1. Case 2, where x lies between 1 and 2. When x lies between 1 and 2, you take a value 1.5. Then if you take 1.5 here, then this is positive, this is negative, this is negative. Okay, do you understand what I want to say? If you take a particular value, suppose 1.5 between 1 and 2, then the first part mod of x minus 1 is positive. 1.5 minus 1.5 is positive. If you take any other value between 1 and 2, then it is always positive. If it is positive, then it is x minus 1. If you take 1.5 minus 2, that means negative. That means negative means this becomes minus x minus 2. This is also minus x minus 3 greater equal to 6. So this becomes minus x, this is minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 greater equal to 6, 5, 1, 4, minus x greater equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. X less equal to minus 2. Case 3, if you take 2.5 between 2 and 3, if you take 2.5 between 2 and 3, then 2.5 after taking the value 2.5 here, this is positive, this is positive and this is negative. So if you take the value 2 less than x less than 3, case 3, then it becomes, this is positive, x minus 1 plus x minus 2, and this is negative, minus x minus 3 greater or equal to 6, that is 2x minus 3 minus x plus 3 greater or equal to 6, x greater or equal to 6. And the last one is, if x greater than 3, then all are positive, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, then it becomes x minus 1 plus x minus 1 plus x minus 1 greater or equal to 6, that is 3x minus, x minus 2, x minus 3, 6x greater or equal to 6, then 3x greater or equal to 12, or x greater or equal to 4. Now, our solution is, when x 1 to 2, when x lies between 1 to 2, then the solution lies between x less than minus 2. This is impossible, not possible. If x lies between 2 and 3, then x lies between, not possible. And if x greater than 3, that means here greater than 3, that means 3 to infinity, then it lies between 4. So here is a possibility, and also if x less than minus 1, this is equal to less equal to 0. Here is a possibility. So our solution set is x less equal to 0, or solution x less equal to 0, or x greater equal to 4. That means you can say that 0 minus infinity to 0 union 4 to infinity, 4 to minus infinity to 0 union 4 to infinity. Do you understand what I want to say? If x lies between 2 and 3, then the range of x is beyond 6. If x lies between 1 to 2, the range of x is less than minus 2. So it is not possible. Only possibility is that if x greater than 3, x greater equal to 4. You do not know where is x, and this is the answer, x greater equal to 4. And here is also x less than minus 1, then x is, possibility is x less equal to 0. So our answer is, solution set is x less equal to 0 or x less equal to 4. This is our 5 amazing problem regarding to quadratic equation. Thank you.